Trg Međunarodnog, prijateljstva, 18 Sarajevo, Alipašino Polje, Sarajevo, Bosnia-Herzegovina. In the 70s, but I have checked the exact year later. I have found most of the years for these Daka elevators that I have been. The 1974 is the most common year. At least so far. That floor. 6 Pros of 150 kilograms. The smaller one is generic, so I'm not going to film it. Ground floor. It can set the color. Inspected by the inspectant, maintained by Bosnia. Floor. Ground floor. That floor. I've seen only one Daka elevator without inner doors. They are much more rare than these manual inner doors. But of course, for me, elevators without inner doors are more basic than these with manual inner doors. But for Daka, it's a bit more interesting without inner doors.